今日美国总统大选投票，美国共和党的总统候选人川普将在北卡罗来纳州进行4场的造势。针对移民的政策，伊表示讲，墨西哥若无要阻挡移民入境哦，那伊当选，所有墨西哥进口的产品未来要扣25%的关税。
Hello, beautiful, beautiful North Carolina.
共和党总统候选人川普伫北卡提醒大家爱去投票，表示即马情势一路领先，最后要做就是胜选。
If we get our vote, we're leading every swing state, which is unheard of for the Republican Party.
伊讲到家己的移民政策伊完正强硬。
New president in Mexico, supposed a very nice woman. They say I haven't met her, and I'm going to inform her on day one or sooner that.If they don't stop this onslaught of criminals and drugs coming into our country, I'm going to immediately impose a 25% tariff on everything they send in to the United States of America.
川普对超民主党候选人侯锦丽白讲，伊向人民扣税来反驳，表示家己扣关税是对外，毋是对内，因为家己的字典内底上税字就是关税。佮表示对后面关税威胁，比如出口货品到美国，选择为美国要抢夺出口产品。
Some of our worst trading partners are the ones we get along with, like the European Union. They're brutal. We're going to lose $350 billion with the European.
Donald Trump.
在造势活动，川普对侯锦丽受访时阵讲到伊的名一直报上，耳也是暗条咧，搁大跳家己独有的川普舞。造势活动地点伫有超过5000位的 JS 多伦竞技场，现场依然有一寡空位。一支持者表示，后悔2016年投予民主党希拉蕊，即马转向，不过对初五大选感觉紧张。另外一个选民表示，若侯锦丽当选，伊想要搬去另外一个星球。川普说去会去宾州雷丁甲匹兹堡加进前2摆总统竞选同款，最后伫密西根的大吉姆城办报名造势。公司新闻黄文玲报道。